Hi everyone, this is Shashank Singh and we are in the way of learning Python programming language. In our previous video, we have discussed different type of data types and operators and we have seen how exactly we're going to use all those while writing Python code. So if you have to watch all those lectures, you can go ahead and check it out in my previous videos. Today we're going to discuss some important concepts dotted around if-else statement in Python, right? So first of all, we should know why we use it actually. So in Python program, if statement is how you're gonna perform the sort of decision making things, right? So it's allow for a conditional execution of a statement or a group of statement based on the value of expression, right? So here, as you can see on my screen as well, I have created one flow wherein there is one condition. So let's assume this is a if condition wherein conditional statement is x is greater than y, right? So if it will return true, so we will execute that statement inside that if condition, right? Or else it will move on to the next step and at the end else will be executed. So let's do not waste our precious time and let's just understand this while writing Python code, right? So here I'm using Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, we'll write a small code for checking even or odd number, right? So I'm writing here a is equal to 3. I'm assigning 3 to a variable, right? What I'm doing here is b is equal to a modulus 2. So it will store the remainder, right? B will store the remainder uh, divided by a. Let's say a is divided by 2, so you will get the decimal point, but here it will store the remainder only, right? So now let me write the if statement, right? So I'm writing here if. Now I have to write a text expression, right? So let's say I'm writing here b is equal to 0, and now I have to write colon. So after colon I can write here print. What I'm writing here, this is even number, right? Because let's assume this will be 4, so a 4 modulus 2 will be 0, right? So whatever, if we will divide any even number with 2, we will get 0 as a remainder, right? So obviously if b is equal to 0, this will be even number, right? Or else you can write here else if it will not even number, so this will execute it. So you can write directly here print this is not even number, or you can write this is odd number. So let's assume, so this is not a even number, right? So let me check some more example. Let's say if I'm writing 35, then else will be executed, right? So if you are writing 35, so 35 modulus 2 will be 1, right? So it will return false, so it will execute the else part, right? So let's check if you are writing here 34. So 34 modulus 2 will be 0. So it should return this is an even number, right? So let me check it. So this is even number, right? So this is how you can do a sort of decision making things with if else condition, right? Also you can write a few more if else condition inside the same code, right? So let me write some another code. So I'm writing here name as a one variable. I'm storing a string, my name, right? Sashank. So what I'm doing here is I'm writing if name equals to let's say I'm writing here ABC random name, right? So you have to write colon. Now I'm writing print uh, wrong name, right? Sorry, I'm writing elif. So you can write elif if you have to write many if condition in the same program, right? So elif I'm writing name equal to, I have to check one more name, let's say CBA, whatever we can write, colon. Then what I'm doing here is, so CBA is not my name, so I want to print wrong name, right? Now what I'm doing here is I'm writing elif again name equals to writing here uh, BCA, right? So we have to write colon, then I'm writing the same thing, print this will be also a wrong name, else what I'm writing here, I'm writing please enter a correct name, right? So please enter correct name, right? So obviously here I haven't passed any like name is equal to Shashank, so it will execute the else condition, right? So my name is not ABC, my name is not name is equal to CBI is also not there because name should be Shashank, right? So let's assume I'm writing here Shashank, right? And I want to write here this is my correct name, right? So this is my correct name. Here I executed whatever you will write, it will get printed, right? So hope you understood how we are doing a sort of decision making things using if else statement in Python. So thanks for watching this. We'll come up with the next video very soon. Thanks.